Pre-qualification of firm is done to reduce cost, reduce time, shortlist firm, or increase competition. So the right answer is shortlist firm. Detention time in sedimentation tank is 4 to 8 hours, B 8 to 12 hours, C 16 to 24 hours, D 24 to 36 hours. The right answer is 4 to 8 hours. Error in bid elevation in total is correct, unit rate is correct, C ignore error, or D reject bid. So the right answer is unit rate is correct. Low BOD wastewater treatment is UV chamber, B slug digester, C sedimentation, or D oxidation pond. So the right answer is oxidation pond. Water softening is mainly for A surface water, B groundwater, C recycled water, or D rainwater. So the right answer is groundwater. Load deflection relationship is dash linear, B parabolic, C non-linear, and D cubic. So the right answer is non-linear curve. Deflection reduced by increasing stiffness, B decreasing weight, C both A and B increasing stiffness as well as decreasing weight, or D none of the above. So the right answer is both A and B. Which of the following is not related to stiffness? Geometry, material, mass, or shape. The right answer is mass. More steel in tension zone makes brittle, ductile, weak, or rigid. The right answer is ductile. Confinement steel increases tension, flexure, axial strength, or shear strength. So the right answer is axial strength. Seismic zone in Pakistan, A2, B4, C5, or D6. So the right answer is 5. Confinement in column is provided by axial bar, B anchorage, C ties, or D slab. So the right answer is ties. Plastic limit is dry state, B transition plastic to semi-solid, C liquid state, D saturated state. So the right answer is water content where soil changes plastic to semi-solid. Transition plastic to semi-solid. Short column fail in flexure, B tension, shear, or buckling. So the right answer is shear. Long column fail in shear, flexure, buckling, or crushing. The right answer is buckling. Higher compressive strength test is cylinder, cube, both equal, or D none of the above. The right answer is cube. Remove Fe and Mn, hardness, chlorination, filtration, oxidation, settling, filtration, or UV, ultraviolet. So the right answer is oxidation, settling, and filtration. Disease indicator virus, coliform bacteria, fungi, or protozoa. So the right answer is coliform bacteria. Excess fluoride causes tooth decay, cavity, fluorosis, or gum disease. So the right answer is fluorosis. Truck on curve experiences upward force, outward force, downward force, or friction only. So the right answer is outward force, which is called centrifugal force. Super elevation is provided on the straight road, slope, curve, or bridge. So the right answer is curve. Equilibrium condition is 2, 3, 4, or 5. The right answer is 3. Common analysis method non-linear, P delta, linear, or dynamic. So the right answer is linear. Hydraulic jump is energy gain, energy dissipation, flow increase, or pressure drop. So the right answer is energy dissipation. Reynolds number is pressure ratio, inertia divided by viscous force, velocity ratio or density ratio. So the right answer is inertia force to the viscous force. Not open channel function: gravity head, static head, pressure head, or flow depth. So the right answer is pressure head. Arches is provided where sand, clay, hard rock, or loose soil. So the right answer is hard rock. Wave velocity in hard rock is less than 1500 meter per second or greater than 1500 miles per second, or so less than 500 miles per second, or D 0. So the right answer is greater than 1500 miles per second. Rock drilling test is auger, percussion, or diamond core, or rotatory. So the right answer is diamond core drilling. Gravity value is 9.8.9, 10, or 9.81. The right answer is 9.81. PC5 is completion report, financial report, design report, or audit report. So the right answer is financial report of the project. Modern sewerage system is combined, separate, mixed, open. So the right answer is separate. Important contract document is tender notice, specification, drawing, or BOD. The right answer is specification. Select bidder: lowest rate, average, lowest responsive bidder, or highest bidder. Lowest responsive bidder. Maximum deflection in cantilever is fixed end, midspan, free end, or support. It's free end. Probed cantilever: fixed free, or fixed roller, fixed roller, or simply supported. So fixed at one end and roller at other end. Fixed roller. Shear at mid, simply supported, maximum, 0, half, or infinite. The right answer is 0. Chemical dosage method is turbidity, hardness, jar test, hammer. The right answer is hardness. Sorry, jar test. Settling velocity increases by temperature, BOD, specific gravity, or flow. So the right answer is increase specific gravity.